Okay, so for this quiz empirical formula, I have 3 questions. The first one pretty easy. It's just a type 2 question. So for this one, okay, you see that we are having like, we're having like the percentage. Okay, so therefore the first thing that I have to say is let the mass of compound be 100 gram first. Okay, please make sure you have this one. Okay, and then the compound that we have, okay, we call CNH. So the first one is the mass. So this one will be 14.2, while the other one will be 85.8. Okay, so this one should be gram. If you write the unit, that would be good. Okay, so this one will be 1 mark. Okay, and then number of mole. So 85.8 divided by 12, while this one is divided by 1. Okay, just remind you, okay, this one is H, this is not H2. Remember, inside this compound is CXHY. Okay, it is not H2. Okay, remember, okay, H2 is a molecule. It is quite stable in the atmosphere, but actually when there is any compound, it's not necessary 2. So if this one is H, then you divide it by 1 only, okay, not 2. So this one, after doing math, okay, you find this one will be 7.15 mole, while this one will be 14.2. Okay, 14.2. Okay, and then this one, or the relative number, whole number ratio. Okay, that will be divided by 7.15 will be 1, while this one will be 2. Okay, so the answer for this one will be, the empirical formula will be CH2. While the other one, okay, we have to so this one will be 1 mark, okay, and then this one will be 1 mark, okay, so total 3 mark for this. And for the next one, let the molecular formula of the compound be CH2 bracket N, okay, so this one will be 12 plus 1 times 2, okay, and then N. Do remember, please express it clearly, okay, right here. So it will be equal to the molecular mass. So N of that, you solve it, will be 3 right here. So therefore the molecular formula, okay, will be C3H6. Okay, remember, okay, it is not a official short term for that. Okay, so please expressively, okay, write that like empirical formula and molecular formula. Okay, I'm just very lazy right here. So this one is type 2. Okay, type 2 question. Just remember, okay, please include this statement. Okay, and then next, okay, will be a type 3 question. Okay, because you see that this one will be completely burned, and then they give out some product. So this one I tried to simplify for you already, because I got corn sulfuric acid and potassium hydroxide. Later on, when you learn more about chemistry, you know that corn sulfuric acid is the one to absorb water, while the potassium hydroxide is to absorb carbon dioxide. Okay, so when the mass of the acid increase, okay, when the mass of the acid increase, or original acid is like this, when the mass of it increase, maybe even the volume increase a little bit, okay, so the mass increase actually is equivalent, okay, to the water absorbed, the mass of water absorbed. So this one, okay, we'll have like 3 compound here, okay, we'll have like C, H, and then O. Do remember, okay, you need more spaces for this one. So the first one will be 4.398. That will be corresponding to the carbon dioxide. And then you have carbon in carbon dioxide. Okay, while the other one is 2.702, you got water. Okay, remember you got 2H right there. So you got water, H in water. So last one, okay, we'll be using the mass of it, okay, and then do the subtraction. So the first one, okay, you should do something like 1.199 gram, while the other one will be around 0.300 gram. So this one will be minus these 2 of them, and then you get like 0.801. So this one is mass. To remember, write down what you are doing. Okay, so this one is calculating the number of mole. So divided by 12, so this one will be around 0.100. While this one divided by 1, okay, will be 0.1. Okay, so the smallest unit right here, whole number ratio. So the smallest unit, okay, should be 0.05. So this one divided by 0.05, 1, 0.3 over 0.05. This one will be 6, and this one will be 2. Okay, so the empirical formula for this one will be C2H6O. Okay, so when we do the molecular mass, okay, again, let the molecular formula be C2H6O, and then you go N right there. Okay, and then you will have like 12 times 2 plus 1 times 6 plus 16 times N equals to 46. So after you solve it, you find out that will be 1. So the molecular formula, okay, it will be C2H6O. Okay, so 1 mark here, 1 mark here. So this one will have 1 mark in total, okay, for 3 of the answer, okay? And then you have 1 mark, and then final answer will have 1 mark, okay? So last one, okay, will be a type 4 question, because you can see water of precisation. But this time, okay, you find out I got 2 dots right there, okay? No worry, what you need to do, just separate KCl, MgCl together, while the extra will be the other one, okay? So you say that is 38.9. Do remember, let the mass of compound be 100 gram. Okay, so this one will be automatically, well, this one will be 61.1. Okay, 61.1 gram. Okay, so to remember mass, don't be lazy for this part. Okay, if this one you can use like 100 minus 38.9 equals to, that will be even better. Okay, but I'm lazy. So this one, okay, you got like 61.1 divided by, okay, add up all the thing. Remember this dot, it represents plus, okay, plus. So therefore, don't mix up, okay, not multiply. While the other one will be 34.3 plus 35.5 times 2, okay. So this one, after you're doing the math, okay, you find out that one will be 0.360. Okay, while the other one, 38.9 over 18. So this one will be 2.16. So the smallest one is this one. So therefore, whole number ratio. So this one divided by 0.360. While this one 2.16 over 0.360. So this one will be 6. So the answer N is 6. Okay. So 1 mark, 1 mark, okay, and then 1 mark. Get it? Okay. So easy. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.